morning friends. Now today we will learn the important topic power set and JEE question related to power sets. There are many JEE questions we are discussed in this lecture, and you have to solve 2 or 3 JEE questions in your self practice. I am discussing today only power set topic and JEE questions related to power set. Some of extra questions related to JEE are given in this lecture, but they are not included in your textbook, but they will ask in form of any objective questions. Okay, they will ask in MCQ form. Okay, now what is power set? What is power set? This is the most important definition of power set, and this topic is new for you. Up to subsets you will study in standard 9. The power set is the most important term. And what do you mean by power set? The definition of power set is the collection of all the subsets of set A. The collection of all the subsets of set A is called the power set of set A. Again repeat. The collection of all subsets of set A is called the power set of A. Now it is denoted by power set of A, means P of A. This is capital P of A. Power set of any set can be represented in capital letters. Okay, therefore this is capital P of A. For example, I am taking, if set A equals to 1, 2, there are two elements in set A which are 1 and 2. Then subsets of set A are, we know that all the subsets of set A. So first of all, list out all the subsets of set A. We know that the first subset, which is null set, second singleton set, curly bracket 1, 2, and the third one, the set itself. Total 1, 2, 3, and 4. Total 4 subsets are there. Total 4 subsets are there of set A. Now, the definition is the collection of all subsets. The collection of all subsets of set A. This is the subsets of set A. All the subsets of set A. Now, we have to collect them and represent a new set which is known as power set of A. Therefore, collection of all the subsets of set A are, the collection of all the subsets of set A are this. This is the collection of all the subsets of set A. Therefore, it is known as power set of A. Okay? So for finding the power set of A, you have to first write all the subsets of set A. You have to write all the subsets of set A. Then put them in curly bracket. Then your power set of A is ready. Then your power set of A is ready. You can also find the power set of A. You can also find the power set of A. You can find power set of A. What is power set of A? So you have to find power set of A. This set is given here. First of all, you have to write all the subsets of, this set, power set of, all the subsets of power set of. Then put all the subsets of power set of A in curly bracket, that means collection of all the subsets of power set of A is known as power set of A. You have to do this in your self practice. This is for most important topic we have discussed in next JEE questions also. Then you will write it. Now, the important topics related to power set and number of elements of power set of any set. So first of all, number of elements of power set of A. Number of elements of power set of A. So what do you mean by power set of A? So we know that the collection of all the subsets of set A, the collection of all the subsets of set A is known as power set of A. Therefore, number of elements of power set of A, the number of elements of power set of A is equals to number of subsets of set A. Is equals to number of subsets of set A, because the collection of all the subsets of set A. Therefore, the number of subsets equals to number of elements of power set of A. Now, see here, how many subsets are there? Here, 2 raised to 2 means 4 subsets are there. Therefore, number of elements of power set of A in this question, in this example, are 4. Now, in general, we are going to discuss the formula for finding the number of elements of power set of A. Therefore, in general, number of elements of power set of A, it is denoted as n is small, n of P of A. N of, or number of elements in power set of A. You can also read n of P of A or number of P of A. You can also read like this. Now, number of P of A, that means number of elements in power set of A equals to, we know that the number of subsets of set A. Number of subsets of set A. And you will know that, the formula for finding the number of subsets of set A equals to 2 raised to number of elements in set A. 2 raised to n, that means 2 raised to number of elements in the given set. We don't denote it. The number of elements in set A equals to 2 raised to number of A. Okay? Clear? Now we are going for the questions. Exercise 1.3, question number 5. Only one question is given related to power set of A in this exercise. How many elements has P of A if set A equals to null set? Here, see that set A equals to null set. Therefore, number of elements of set A, which is denoted as n of A, number of elements of set A, which is denoted as n of A, the number of elements in set A equals to 0, because set A is null set. Therefore, it does not contain any element or does not consist any element. Therefore, number of elements in set A equals to 0. Now, we know that the formula of number of elements of power set of A, which is denoted as n of P of A. The number of elements of power set of A, it is denoted as n of P of A, which is equals to, the formula is 2 raised to number of elements in set A, which is equals to 2 raised to number of elements in set A. Or you can also say that the number of all the subsets of set A. Number of all the subsets of set A. Okay, this is the formula. Now, what is the answer? So put the value of number of a, which is 0, 2 raised to 0. We know that any non-zero number having power 0 equals to 1. The answer will be 1. Okay, therefore the number of elements of power set of A is 1. Okay, the power set of A consists one element only. Which one is the element of this set? So if you want to write down the power set of A for this set, then you will also write down this one. So first of all, list out all the subsets of set. List out all the subsets of set A. So all the subsets of set A. Here set A is null set. Therefore, all the subsets of set A. Only null set is the subset of set A. Now, and put this subset in curly bracket. Then your power set of A is ready. Then your power set of A is ready. Now see here, power set of A equals to curly bracket 5. That means power set of A consists one element. Power set of A consists one element, and the important notation for this is null set is the element of power set of A. 5 is the element of power set of A. And we know that null set is always subset of any set. Therefore, we are putting belongs to as well as subset side for null set or for the 5. Okay, these two are right for this set. Here 5 is the element of power set of it, therefore we can put belongs to sign here. The 5 belongs to P of A, and we always know that the 5 is subset of any set, therefore 5 is subset of P of A. Okay, these two signs are applicable for the 5. Clear? In this case, these two sides are possible. Now, for the JEE questions, there are many important questions of JEE. First one, if set A equals to null set, if set A equals to 5, then find power set of A. So for finding the power set of A, first we have to find power set of A. For finding the power set of A, we have to find all the subsets of set. For finding the power set of A, first of all, we have to find all the subsets of set A. So now, set A is null set. Therefore, write down the subsets of set A. Therefore, write down subsets of set A are, first only one subset is there, which is null set. Now, power set of A, that means collection of all the subsets of set A, that means this 5 is in curly bracket, the power set of A is ready. Now, number of elements of power set of A, only one element is there. We can say that 5 belongs to power set of A as well as 5 is subset of power set of A for this case only. Okay. Now, for finding the power set of A, for finding the power set of A, you have to list out all the subsets of power set of A, then put it in curly bracket. You will get power set of A. Therefore, I am first of all listing out the subsets of set power set of A, P of A. Now, finding all the subsets of P of A. Here P of A is there. Curly bracket null set. Here only one element in power set of A. Therefore, number of subsets are 2 raised to 1. That means 2 subsets are there. First one, null set is the subset of any set. Second one, the singleton set. Here singleton set is curly bracket 5. Okay, this one is singleton set. Clear? So total subsets of power set of A are listed out. Now, power set of A, that means the collection of all the subsets of P of A. So the collection of all the subsets of P of A, which is equals to 5 and curly bracket 5. This is our power set of A. This is our power set of A. It is clear for you? This is our first question. Now we are going for the second question. The second question is, if A equals to 5 or null set, then power set of A equals to blank. We have to find the power set of A. Therefore, first of all, we want power set of A. How can we obtain the power set of A? So we know that from above example, from above question, power set of A can be obtained by collection of all the subsets of set A. Here power set of A is already obtained in the given first question. Therefore, we can write power set of A directly, which is our null set in 5 in curly bracket. Okay, this is our power set. How can we find power set of A? So we know that first of all we have to list out all the subsets of power set of A, then put it in curly bracket. Therefore, the power set of A is ready, and the answer of power set of A is in question number 1. Therefore, we can write it directly. Okay, clear up to this? Now we want power set of A. Therefore, first of all, we have to find all the subsets of power set of A. Here power set of A is that. Therefore, first of all, list out all the subsets of power set of A are. The first subset is null set. Second one, singleton set. This one is singleton set. Second, singleton set. Okay. This is the element, and put it in curly bracket. Then the singleton set is ready. Now the set itself or consists 2 elements is 5. Okay, this is your power set of A. You will write power set of A here also. Therefore, the answer of power set of A equals to, you have to put all the subsets in curly bracket. Therefore, the answer will be ready. The answer is 5 curly bracket 5 and 2 times curly bracket 5. Then the set itself means power set of A itself. Okay, this one is your answer. Okay, this will answer of power set of A. Now the important thing is here, in this case we can write power set of A. We can write power set of A. What is power set of A? This one is power set. The power set of A, this one is power set. Here power set of A, this one is power set of A. Therefore, power set of A is the element of power set of set. Okay, it is clear. Now you will also write power set of A is the element of power set of A is ready 5 and curly bracket 5. This one is here. This one is here. Therefore, it is known as the P of A is the element of P of A. Therefore, we can write power set of A belongs to power set of A. Okay, it is clear. So this thing is important for you. Okay, how can we put belongs to sign here? Next one, the third question. The third question is, if set A equals to curly bracket 5, then what is the power set of A? For finding the power set of A, we have to first find power set of A. How can we obtain the power set of A? So for finding the power set of A, list out all the subsets of set A. All the subsets of set A are the first is null set, second singleton set. Now put them in curly bracket, then your power set of A is ready. If you can't write like this or directly you can't understand, then first of all list out, write down subsets of set A. R એમ તમારે લિસ્ટ આઉટ કરી દેવાના અને પછી તમારે ડાયરેક્ટ લખવામાં જો તકલીફ પડતી હોય તો સારું. હવે P of A is ready. Now we have to find power set of A. Therefore, first of all we have to write down all the subsets of power set of A. Write all the subsets of power set of A. Subsets of power set of A. You have to write subsets of power set of A. Now the null set is a subset of power set of A. Now going with singleton set as well as second singleton set. Okay, then the set itself means you will also write this is P of A. You will write P of A. Okay, clear? Now 4 subsets are there. Now find power set of A equals to power set of A equals to, put all the subsets in curly bracket, you will get the power set of A. The answer is red. Clear? Here power set of A, you can write this also. Next question, if set A equals to curly bracket 5 and 1, then power set of A equals to, here set A having 2 elements, first one is 5 and second one is 1. We want power set of A. Therefore, first of all find power set of A. For finding the power set of A, we have to list out all the subsets of set A. Listing out subsets of set A. Here 2 elements are there, therefore number of subsets of set A are 2 raised to 2, total 4 subsets. The first subset is null set, second one singleton set, third one and fourth one set itself. I am writing the set itself name A. You will also write this here. Okay, so subsets of set A are ready. Now what is power set of A? Power set of A equals to, you have to put this all subsets in, in curly bracket. Therefore the power set of A is ready. The answer is red. Okay, now you want power set of A. How can we obtain the power set of A? So for obtaining the power set of A, first of all you have to write all the subsets of power set of A. You have to write all the subsets of power set of A. Here 4 elements are there, therefore 2 2 raised to 4, 16 subsets are there. I am writing all 16 subsets of this set and put it in curly bracket, then your power set of A is ready. So now I am writing all these subsets in curly bracket directly. You can also write first the list out the subsets and then put it in curly bracket. Okay, I am putting these subsets in curly bracket directly. So first of all, the null set is subset. Now singleton set, this one singleton set, this one singleton set, this one singleton set. Okay, now this one is also in singleton set, set A. Okay, now consider two elements are there. First one is null set and this one. Now take these two, 5 and 1. Okay, you will take these two, 5 and A. Okay, now 5 and A, this one is also there. Now you can take this one also, therefore 5 and curly bracket 1. Now you can take this one, therefore this is your subsets. Next you will take this one, A here. Now number of subsets having 2 elements are over. You will write number of subsets having 3 elements. Therefore I am writing the number of subsets having 3 elements here. The 3 elements having 3 elements. The first one is null set. These 3 elements, null set, in singleton set and 1. Okay, this one is there, second this one is there, 5 curly bracket 5 and set A is also there. Next one 5 1 and A. Next one 5 1 and A. Okay, this one is also there. Now 1 2 3 are there. Next one 5 1 and A is also 5 1 and A. This is also there. This is also there. Now you have to write the set itself is your also the subset. Therefore P of A is your subset. You can write this one also here as P of A. Okay. Now all these subsets are listed out of P of A. All these subsets of P of A are listing out. Now put them in curly bracket. This is your power set of A is ready. Now see here, total 16 subsets are there. First 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Total 16 subsets are there. It is clear for you. Okay, now we are going for the next question. Now the fifth question of JEE. If set A equals to curly bracket 5, then you have to find the number of elements of power set of A. You have to only find the number of elements. Don't listing out the all elements of power set of. So for finding the number of elements of power set of A, we want the number of elements of power set of A first. So here the number of elements of set A, only one element is there, and this one is the element of power set A. This one is the element of set A, or you can write this belongs to A. Okay. Now number of elements of set A, number of elements of set A equals to 1. Only one element is there. Now we want the number of elements of power set of A. We have the formula 2 raised to number of A, or we can say that number number of subsets of this set A. That means 2 raised to 1. Answer is 2. Now we have two elements of power set of A. We have two elements of power set of A. How can we obtain the number of elements of power set of A? The number of elements of power set of A equals to 2 raised to number of power set of A. Why? 2 raised to number of power set of A. We want power set of A. For finding the power set of A, we have discussed in the previous questions power set of A. That means the set consists all the subsets of power set. Therefore, number of subsets of power set of A equals to number of elements of power set of A. And we know that the number of subsets of power set of A equals to 2 raised to number of elements in power set of A. Therefore, answer will be 2 raised to 2, which is equals to 4. Now, we want number of elements in power set of A, which is equals to 2 raised to number of power set of A. Which is equals to 2 raised to number of power set of A. We know that the power set of A, that means collection of all the subsets of power set of A. That means number of subsets of 2 raised to number of elements in power set of A. Therefore, we are getting 2 raised to 4 here. Okay. Therefore, the answer is 2 raised to 4, that means 16. Therefore, number of elements in power set of A are 16. Okay, it is clear for you. Now, similar to that, you can do the extra question. If set A having null set and curly bracket 5, then find number of elements in power set of A. Then find number of elements in power set of A. Clear? Now, the next question is 6th one. If set A equals to null set, then number of power set of A equals to blank. So first of all, we want number of elements in set A. The number of elements in set A, that is only 0 element. Null set, that means no element is there. Number of elements in set A equals to 0. If we want number of elements in power set of A, which is equals to 2 raised to number of A, this is the formula we have discussed in the previous question also. Therefore, the answer is 2 raised to 0, only one element in power set of A. Now, if we want the number of elements in power set of A equals to 2 raised to number of elements in power set of A, which is equals to 2 raised to 1, and answer is. Now, we want number of power set of A equals to 2 raised to number of power set of A. Therefore, the answer is 2 raised to 2, which is equals to 4. We want the power set of A. Now, we can calculate number of elements in power set of A equals to 2 raised to number of elements in power set of A, which is equals to 2 raised to 4, which are 16. Okay, therefore number of elements in power set of A equals to 16. We want 5 times power set. The number of power set of A equals to 2 raised to number of P of A, which is equals to 2 raised to 16. The answer you have to calculate in self practice, or will write 2 raised to 16 is your answer. Okay. Now, going for the seventh question. Now, the seventh one question. If set A equals to 5 and curly bracket 5, then write power set of A. First of all, we have to write power set of A. You will write the power set of A in your self practice, and you have to write power set of A is also in your self practice. This one is your task. Okay, and also find the number of elements in power set of A. You can write, or you will find it in your self practice also. Okay, this question is in your self practice. Now, related to this topic, there are two questions also that you have to write, or you have to solve these two questions also. The eighth one, if set A equals to null set and curly bracket null set and curly bracket 5, then find number of power set of A equals to. And the ninth one, if set A equals to curly bracket 5, curly bracket 5, then the find P of A, power set of A, you have to write down, and also find number of elements in power set of A. Okay, this is your task. You have to do in your self practice and give the solution of these questions of this today's note in the link given in your group. Okay.